Once you see how easy it is to make scalloped potatoes on the grill, you'll never want to make them in the oven again.
Today, we're showing you how to make scalloped potatoes in the Ninja Woodfire grill. Now, I'm not particular about the type of potatoes I'm using in this recipe. These are just good old whites, but you could use Yukon Gold, you could use russets. Pick the potato that you prefer.
I like that you're using the food processor. Make that way quicker than normal.
To me, scalloped potatoes always take so long because of the slicing process.
Now, instead of layering, I like that you're just mixing up the potatoes and the onions together.
Yeah, it's a waste of time to layer. This is heavy whipping cream. This definitely is not a light recipe.
So you've got some chicken bouillon in there. What's the spice you're adding?
Celery salt.
Ooh.
Something unique. It's gonna add not only saltiness, but also flavor. Mix that all together. You don't need to heat this up. Throw it in there and it's about to get heated up on the grill. Why are you wasting time heating that up on the stovetop?
Okay, so mixing it all in so everything's nice and coated. Ooh.
Smooth it all out. You just looking at that, you know that's gonna be good. I like putting the whole aluminum pan onto a cookie sheet. That way when you're bringing it out to the grill, it doesn't wobble. We set the grill up and I put on there an hour and 30 minutes. Scalloped potatoes is one of those recipes that seems to take forever. So we know that food cooks quite quickly on the Ninja Woodfire grill. Still didn't trust it. I still had to put an hour 30 on there. So the potatoes went into the Ninja Woodfire. Then I thought, you know what? I'm locked in for an hour and a half. I'm gonna grab myself a brew, head outside. It was cool out there, so I wanted to head outside and just relax during the cook. Not too long into me sitting and relaxing, did I start to smell a little odor in the air that didn't smell right.
Oh no.
So I was like, I need to see what's going on under the grill. It smells weird to me.
Did it smell like burning? Like what was happening?
I lifted the lid and oh my goodness, I literally was like, what the heck is happening under there? Removed it from the grill and I was like, we need to regroup.
Okay, so the take-home message is then before your scalloped potatoes go on the grill, make sure they are covered.
Yes. I felt confident that the potatoes were gonna cook with the lid on.
Ooh.
Look at how good that looks.
Nicely browned along the edges.
They smelled incredible. I garnished with a little bit of fresh oregano that I had lingering in my garden still.
Ooh.
I let them cool for a little bit because then that makes for an easier transition from pan to plate.
Otherwise, it's just a big soupy mess. I've tried to do that before.
Which there's nothing wrong with that. But if you're gonna be trying to make your presentation look half decent, you're gonna wanna let them cool a little bit so they set up a bit.
Ooh, that looks good. Super creamy, super rich. I love potatoes that are nice and thin like that in scalloped potatoes. Some people like them on the thick side. I think that texture-wise, you gotta have them nice and thin like that.
Since I used the food processor, I was like, I will never slice potatoes again for scalloped potatoes because it was quicker, it made for a much better mouthfeel, and it just looks better.
Now, if you wanted to, you could absolutely put cheese on the top or cheese in the inside of this recipe, but traditionally, scalloped potatoes don't have cheese, believe it or not.
Because the whipping cream is so rich and fatty, I was like, anything's gonna get lost on the top. We don't need to be adding any more calories to the top of this, so I just omitted it. But if you feel like you want to add cheddar cheese, I don't think anyone's going to be mad if you add a little bit of cheddar cheese on the top of there.
No. If you're so excited about trying those scalloped potatoes out for yourself, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're still not done with your Ninja Woodfire, check out this other recipe we have for you. It's a sure winner.
See you in the next video.